Thought that I picked that up, to be honest. So I'm glad you were paying attention.
Actually, they're on our left.
Yeah. Oh, is that one up there? No, it's not.
Honestly, like 1 assault and like 3 snipers is really effective.
One assault and 3 snipers.
Yeah, you're the assault
Oh.
I mean.
Oh, they saw me.
But it's not like oh, I hit him.
Nice.
86 that. Enemy spotted.
Oh,
No,
there's
we
a
need to
oh, they're
move.
over there. They're over there. Yeah, yeah. You try and shoot me, darling.
Okay.
All right. So you know. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh,
He was like, challenge accepted.
I just started running. There he is.
Enemy spotted.
There's one. There's one down. Alright, he's in the smoke. He's gonna die.
Nice. Ooh, orange box.
There's another one farther out.
Takes more than that to finish me.
Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone.
Death on demand.
You're in the top 3. Set up
That.
now.
There's one in front of me. Yeah.
Oh, oh.
Enemy spotted.
Here.
Ah, shit. Oh, Noah.
All right.
He's telling
What's
you.
up?
Look at that
Oh
guy.
no! Did I bang into someone? What the hell just happened to me? Nova, nice wall shooting. What?
Oh.
Whoa!
Get to the safe
There's
zone.
a spacious, but I
You're losing
in
ground.
the gas. He's in the gas. I can't see.
Indicating waypoint. Not done yet.
Got him.
Changing maps.
Oh, nice.
Marking
All
target
right.
location.
No armor
So I
box
gotta
here.
use that shorter.
You need an ammo box? Oh. Clip goes to Clip goes to Activision hacker. Who are they talking to? Clip goes to
Noah.
Activision. No.
Oh,
You've been-
that's just.
Have you been accused of being a hacker, baby?
I guess so.
That's